Okay, no way. Real quick. This is should be pretty achievable. We're looking at really like the major pentatonic. So this is in the key of D. And so what we're gonna kind of play with is the idea of this shape. Those are most of your notes. So it's really kind of based on the major pentatonic, which would be out of this shape. Okay, but we're replacing this note with this note so we can slide. All right, and then also this one note here, which is, so again, we can slide. So you can use that anytime you want in a major key. So if this is your, your chord, D, right? Just start here and slide up. And then you can just play right here. And do whatever you want. And you're always in the key, and it's pretty friendly to the fingers, right? Okay, so what this guy's doing is doing a pickup. So we're doing and there's that little bit of a ring together with a double stop. So we're doing 7, 9, 7. When you do this, when you come up and you hit this note, you're still holding this note. Just for a little bit. And then we play just that D note. Then we're sliding up to 11, back down to our root. And then what he does is he does a half step bend. So it's just a little bit of a. So. Then start over right away. And this one is a little bit easier, and there's one extra note. So that's the end. As long as you end on that note, on the beat, then it'll work out. The interlude, where the piano and the guitar are going back and forth, we're first playing that beginning of that intro lick. Piano, piano, piano. Piano, piano, piano. We come in a little bit earlier. Now instead of going and landing on the D string on that ninth fret, we're going to go straight to the G string on the 9th fret and then work our way up. Okay? And then it's sort of the same lick from down here, but up here. So we go. So it sounds more complicated than it is, but it's just this. But we're doing it up here. Then you finish it up. And then it's done again. So that's basically it. The outro is a lot of these things just put together. If you want to do the outro solo, you can. Otherwise, just maybe repeat one of those other sections. The outro solo roughly is him, you know. Then he kind of goes. Something like that. All right, so I hope that helps, and I hope that is clear enough.